Today we're taking the classic margarita recipe and putting a little twist on it by making it non-alcoholic. Here we go. I'm going to go 2 ounces of simple syrup. Well, here we have some lime juice, single pressing of lime juice. That means it's not from concentrate. We take the limes and squeeze them and the juice goes straight into there, and that's what makes it a single pressing of lime juice. So both of those together, balance it out. There's where our classic margarita comes in. Instead of adding spirit, I'm going to add some water. I'm just going to add a little water in there to make up that space, and some Master of Mixes strawberry syrup. I was thinking about putting it in the glass and making a layer of color, but today I'm just going to add it right in, a good ounce of that, and we'll shake it all up. Look at that beautiful pink color with the fresh lime and fresh strawberries, real strawberry juice and fruit on our non-alcoholic version of the strawberry margarita. I'm Dean Neals with Master of Mixes. Like and subscribe.